what's up? This is Chris from ElectroFame. So today I want to show you a pretty interesting tablet, which is the Pipo M9 Pro. So it's a 10.1 inches tablet, which is 3G, so WCDMA, so you can insert a SIM card and use it kind of everywhere in the world, basically, because it's all frequencies. So before presenting anything more about the tablet, I want to show you that. So you have the tablet in one package, and you do have an extra package, which is for customized accessories. Okay, so we can have a quick look inside just to show you what is provided when you buy this tablet. So of course you have the pin to insert the SIM card and to take it off. Okay, so we have the QC pass to say that everything was alright, with the factory for the control. The usual manual, which is all in Chinese, but you have to bear in mind that if you have any trouble, you can just contact us at ElectroFame and we will help you going through anything. Okay, you have the DC in charger, so you can have a look. So this is a US plug, but we can have like a UK or EU plug, so when you check out, just select the right plug, alright? Otherwise, that's not it. We have a USB, normal USB and micro USB cable to plug it to the computer. And we have, as usual, as always, a female USB and a micro USB. Okay, so, and we have a last one, sorry I forgot about it. So this is earplugs, earphones, alright? So this is in ear, as you can see, and from Pipo. So I've been testing them and they were not too bad. Of course it's not the same, like all the famous brands, but it does the job. So that's it basically for all the accessories that are available in with the tablet. And now what we can have is having a look at the package itself. So as always, you can see Pipo is pretty tough, so you don't have to worry about anything regarding that. So as you can see, dual cameras, GHz sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2 gigs of RAM, HDMI, gyro sensor, e-compass, and GPS. So here we can see quickly it's 178 degrees wide visual angle with the Cortex A9 1.6 GHz, so quad core CPU and quad core GPU graphic processor. Apart that, it's Android 4.22, so, and 3G WCDMA, automatic focusing for the camera. And we can have a quick look on the back. So which is pretty interesting with this tablet, it's like it's a 32 gigabytes internal memory, which is pretty consequence. So that's it basically for the quick specifications. So I think we all want to see what it's looking like, so we can have a quick look first. So as I said before, it's a 10.1 inches tablet, which is, which has a resolution of 1920 by 1200, so IPS screen with a ratio of 16:10. All right. So if we have a quick look, you can see here we have the camera, which is all right. Otherwise, the design is pretty sleek actually, and pretty nice. So we have 2 speakers on the back, okay, and otherwise okay, let's take it in the other way. Okay, so we have the button escape, power button, DC in, HDMI slots, plug, and a microphone, USB, micro USB, the host, which is the same, 3.5mm jack, the TF micro SD card, and the SIM slot. And here we have like a 5 megapixels camera with a flash integrated with a reset at the same time. So as you can see, Pipo M9 Pro. Alright, so I just want to show you quickly, if I can, yeah, here we go. Just to show you the design, the design and the appearance. So it's metal, aluminium, so you can see it's very nice, it's beautiful, well finishing, you know. So that's it, you know, for presenting. What we can do now, I think, is just let's get started. Alright, so let's turn it on. Alright. So this tablet is 580 grams, which is quite average for such a tablet of 10 inches. So it's not too bad, you know. So with Pipo, it's always a bit long to start, but then it's very alright, you know. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, a lot of widgets, and what I want to show you first, okay, here we go. So you can see now all different applications you can have. You have the Play Store, Google Maps, few different other applications, YouTube, and Gmail, navigations, camera, whatsoever. So basic applications that you can find in every tablet in Europe. Well, how about the settings, you know? So the settings, that's what I want to show you quickly. So we have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multi-windows, so you can actually using like floating video, for example, so you can watch a video and check your emails at the same time, or write a text, or do whatsoever, you know. It's up to you. So otherwise, the sound, display, HDMI, storage, as I told you, it's 32 gigabytes, okay. So you can see here. The battery, I didn't say anything about that yet. It's a 7600 mAh battery, so that's basically 8 hours, you know, of playing around with. Alright. So location access, security, language, and input. So I want to show you that quickly. So as you can see, we have a lot of different languages. You will probably find yours in this huge list. Okay. Otherwise, backup, reset Google account, of course, date time, quick boot, so you can actually, you know, improve the boot, which is pretty useful with Pipo, as it's pretty long. Developer options, so we have like a lot of customization. If you want, you can check it out, and it's up to everybody to change anything inside. Okay, and about the tablet, so 4.22 as I say. So that's for the quick stuff. Now what I want to show you is the Antutu Benchmark. Okay, so the Antutu Benchmark, for the people who don't really know what is a benchmark, it allows you to to have all the device specifications and the ranking and the performances of the tablet. Okay, so here we can see that we have a score because I already did it. So 17,924, which is actually pretty good for this range of tablets. So we can have a look at the ranking and the bar chart quickly. Okay, so this is where we are. It's just an indication, it's not, I mean, you take it seriously or not, it's up to you. So, for the device info, this is exactly what we want to know, actually. So, as you can see, Pipo M9 Pro 4.22 Android, Rockchip 3188 ARM Cortex A9 for the processor, which is a quad-core, Mali 400MP for the graphic processor. The resolution I told you before, 1920 by 1200. 5 megapixels in the back. So we have 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal memory. So quad-core processor clocked at 1.6 gigahertz. The Mali 400 GPU, so it's 10.1 inches as I said, and with 240 dpi. And then we have 2 cameras, 5 megapixels on the back with flash integrated and 2 megapixels on the front. And so as I told you, 580 grams, which is not too bad. And then we have, I should say no GPS, but we have GPS actually, and Wi-Fi, and all sensors except temperature sensor and relative humidity sensors. Okay, so that's for all the specifications regarding these tablets. What I want to show you, as usual, it's like the root access. So what is the root access? The root access. Okay, you are root, means the tablet is already rooted, so you have actually more permissions, more access to the system, and you can install custom ROMs, custom firmware and Android versions, and you can do all of that and you will not void the warranty, which is pretty useful. Alright, so that's all what you have to know so far. And how about the multi-touch? We have a little application to test it, so we can check it out. So we put out the fingers. So this is 10 touch capacitive screen, so IPS screen. Don't forget it. And so that's it, just to show you. So otherwise. Now I want to show you a quick video in order to check the screen and the sound and everything. So I've been downloading a video from GoPro, which is HD video. Okay, here we go. So just quickly, first of all, we can say that the sound is actually pretty nice. I can feel the bass, in my hands, which is pretty nice. As you can see, and you can hear, the sound is pretty clear, so very responsive. As you can see, the wide angles, you can really check it everywhere. So very responsive. Okay, so we can go a bit further. So then you can see the sound, check it out. It's not so bad. It's powerful enough for a tablet, to be honest. The quality is very, very great. So as you can see, if you want to watch a movie on this tablet, it's no problem at all, okay? So, we can go back, and what I want to show you now is, as usual, a game called Asphalt 8. This is a racing game using quite a lot of graphics, so it's a good game to show if this tablet has good performances or not. So we can have a quick start. There we go. Okay, so here we're in Tokyo. So let's check it out. So as you can see, it's not lagging at all, it's perfect. It's very nice. So thanks to the graphic processor. Alright. Okay, I won't keep going, just to show you that actually you can play very good games without any trouble at all, okay? Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you, basically. So you can see it's no problem at all, it's not lagging. We have 2 gigs of RAM, so this is great as well, you know? So I think that's it, you know, for this tablet. Quick review just to show you what it is and what you can get. So just to summarize quickly, because maybe you have forgotten. So this is a Pipo M9 Pro 10.1 inches 1920 by 1200 IPS screen, ratio of 16 by 10, 10 touch capacitive screen. It's a 1.6 GHz A9 Cortex, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of flash memory, Wi-Fi, GPS, Android 4.22 SD card slot because it's 3G WCDMA, HDMI, 7600 mAh battery with a weight of 580 grams, and that's it. So we sell it on our website at www.electrofame.com. You can see the link in the description of this video below. And we sell it at 190 euros, which is very bargain, you know, for such a device. So if you have any question or comments, you know, just feel free to leave one below this video, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Bye bye.